Right, I'm now at Nansen Hill. Gonna do a quick drone flight, so try and avoid the telegraph wire. There's a kestrel up there. Let me check what species quickly. One common kestrel. There we go. Let's get her up.
Home point updated.
There's Nansen Hill. Right, what I want to do is move around this way. Hover it there for a second. Look down. Go up as far as I can go. So there's the Devil's Chimney, or the Smuggler's Haven as well.
Max altitude reached.
So that's as high as I can go. Let's go around this way. Just want to give a perspective on the landslip here. Big old area, big chunk. Come forward. Really gives you a perspective on how big an area this is. So you can see the way the terrace has formed where land has slipped away. There's the shoreline there. Let's have a look up a bit. So there's the shoreline, come up, and there's Bonchurch, one end of Bonchurch. There's Ventnor Downs and Leeson Road going into Ventnor. There's kind of looking towards Shanklin. There's Luckham, and then Shanklin is in the distance. And Sandown Lake. Scale of this landslip is eye-watering, really. Gives you a real perspective on how much land kind of slipped away. Let's bring her back in and get a close-up. So yeah, like I say, I do these every week, drone flights, just as an archive. So you can see the trees are leafing up on the area that's slipped. All these trees here below the top chalk, kind of exposed cliff, they've all slipped down. Must have been 18 months ago now. Devil's Chimney is down kind of there somewhere. That's all slipped down. Actually, it looks to me as though it's slipped down a bit more. Might be wrong. Have to check the other drone flights, the other drone footage that are on this channel. Let's go and get a bird's eye view of the cafe initially. So it's getting pretty close to the road. So let's come down a bit. Do my usual cliff face shots. Really see how soft the chalk is here and how it's crumbling underneath the concrete slabs. I'm actually nowhere near the cliff face, but it's given me some warnings. Well, there we have that view. Slightly concerning kind of a cavity over there. Right, let's bring her up, I think. There we have it. That is the Smuggler's Haven Devil's Chimney.
landing.
Not a bad landing that. Oh, let's walk back to flee the car and flee the scene. No golden orioles singing here. Not now, anyway. So yeah, if you want to support this channel, there's a buymeacoffee.com link in the description below. It's Chiff Chaff. And there's also a PayPal link, which is always very much appreciated. And watch as many of my videos on this channel as you can, so I can get it monetized. I've got over 1,000 subscribers, which is one of the criteria. But I now need to get 4,000 hours of watch time, and I've got about 1,120 odd hours of watch time. So under 1,000 hours to get. So if you wouldn't mind watching videos on this channel, that would be much appreciated. And thank you for watching. Hello there, I hope you enjoy my channel. Just a quick interlude. I've written several books. For instance, Wildlife Watching around Ventnor. Nice cover there. Bird watching around Ventnor. Don't know if you can see that well in the sun. Bird watching around Ventnor. And even how to write and publish a book on a smartphone. Now this was written on my iPhone Mini 13. The manuscript for this, and then it was edited and formatted and all the rest of it on a smartphone. So here's a book about how to do that. And I've got various other books. There are links to my books in the description below this video, and go and check them out on the online platforms if you wish to do so. And thank you very much.